How to remove Instagram Reels watermark. In order to do that, let's first head over and then just select the Reels that we want to actually get. So we have in here this Reels. So if you want to remove the Instagram Reels watermark in this, you need to head over and click on the share icon right here, which is the airplane paper. Now from in here, click on this copy link option. Once you have done that, let's head over right here to any browser that you have and then go in here to Snap Insta. So you can search for this until you can see this particular page. Now from in here, click on this paste, and as you can see, it will paste in here the reels that we have copied. Now from in here, click on this download option. Now close any advertisement, and then you can see this video right here. So as you can see, this video that we have will no longer have the reels watermark that we're actually avoiding earlier. So that's how you remove Instagram Reels watermark. Hope we helped.